what I'm thinking about with you is I think I'm wanting to do a training or an education course with you to where give you access to so much of our materials online, give you options of paths to go. Do you just want to scan? Do you just want to do thermals? Do you just want to do, because I mean, technically with that 210, you could do architecture, you could do surveying, you could do all kinds of things. So there's a lot of different things you could do with it that's pretty powerful. So it's just going to be, we can start there, and then by the time we get to you feel comfortable with it, you're like, you know what, I want to add in, and you sound like you've already got your hand in multiple businesses, and we all know what it takes to run multiple businesses is more people under you. So if you get comfortable enough to where you can have someone else under your business like go scan and run that 210 for you, that may open you up to do the agriculture side of it. So we use two different people. We use Vaughn Talbert and there's another guy named Luke Petty. We send to those two guys to let them insure for drift. But they insure drift, they can do both of them, but they can do total hull, it's called hull damage. So